So this is all new CAT 424 Backhoe Loader with lot of new exciting options and features. With all our global expertise, we have completely reimagined our Backhoe Loader, keeping in mind what customer here wants and look forward to. Let's take a closer look on all the key features and benefits. The loader side could be summarized as more dump height, more power, more robust and much faster. Multi-purpose loader bucket offers more functionality to the machine. Narrow loader bucket has been designed to deliver powerful loader performance. The force is concentrated to the narrow width and delivers good material penetration and bucket fill. There is an option of general purpose bucket available with 4-wheel drive machines. Strong parallel lift 4-arm geometry loader arm which utilizes 2 lift and 2 bucket cylinders. The whole design of the loader arm is to provide operator with high breakout forces and lots of power for dosing and loading. With this new loader arm, dump height is increased to meet the customer expectations. There is a big torque tube in the loader bucket and loader arm to take up strong loads. This new loader design with more height, more power and more strength now make 424 a perfect choice for customers who look forward to do a lot of loading and dosing applications. 424 is powered with proven and reliable CAT 3.6 engine. This engine is ahead with technology, designed for future and available today. It's a high torque engine delivering peak torque as high as 424 Nm and meets BS5 engine emission norms. With this engine, our fuel efficiency and performance are improved from our previous model. We have also introduced new Smart Eco Mode option. It's an innovation from us to improve fuel efficiency without limiting engine throttle by optimizing engine characteristics. Thus, customer can get best of both fuel efficiency and performance with our smart engine solution. Like the previous machine, 424 uses variable displacement hydraulic pump system. The big benefit is it only provides hydraulic flow when operator needs it. This helps with very good fuel efficiency. 424 uses robust CAT drivetrain designed to deliver strong rim pull. Improved braking system and new smooth foot throttle delivers desired performance with less effort and improves operator comfort. There is a switch in the cabin to select different drive modes. You can select 2-wheel drive, 2-wheel braking, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel braking, and there is also an option to select 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel braking, which can be used while driving on the road. There is an optional drive shaft guard for 4-wheel drive machine to protect propeller shaft from external damage. We now have narrow frame, which helps us to get into the narrow lanes and to the narrow trucks. The hose side of the 424 is designed to deliver superior performance, big dig depth and lots of reach to the operators. With the excavator style boom, machine can work in confined areas, keeping trucks closer to the machine and still have plenty of clearance to the truck sidewall, and also you can dig over the obstacles. Having 60-40 split between boom and stick helps with better reach over the trucks and strong stick force. 205-degree bucket rotation keeps good material retention and more digging power. We are pleased to introduce CAT B8s Silenced Hammer. 424 has option to have hammer lines, so hammer can be fitted quite easily and quickly, improving the versatility of the machine. CAT B8s Silenced Hammer delivers strong impact power. Robust and silenced housing helps with strong durability, quieter operation and less machine vibration. Tuck brackets help with easy transport. This is our new stylish cabin with great comfort and safety, nice fit and finish, like any of our global machine. Cabin is designed with rollover protective structure and falling object protective structure, so operator is protected all time. Cap mountings at the ends improve stability and lowers cabin vibration. Standard suspension seat. New steering wheel with improved comfort. Consoles fit and finish. New cluster with all information and easy access, and overall, cab interiors is designed with stylish look and feel. Spacious cabin with excellent all-round visibility. Flat glass all around with improved ceiling for lower noise level inside the cab. There are door windows which helps with good ventilation for operators during marching or loading applications. All the windows have got the provision to keep it partially open, which helps with better ventilation for operators in dusty environment. Large opening rear window which is easy to open and close. Loader and hoe controls are ergonomically placed, giving most comfortable operating position. Hoe controls comes with standard cross pattern and is interchangeable to plus depending on operator requirements. We have optional aircon in 424 and there are more than enough ducts. We have got 6 ducts in the front, 8 ducts in rear, all facing operator and helps to keep cool work environment. In summary, this cabin is quite stylish with look and feel like any of our global machine and ensures operator does more work with comfort and safety all day, every day. To meet all terrain and application requirements, 424 comes in 2 major variants, 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. Daily maintenance is quite important for the machine. We have made it really easy for operators to do his daily checks. Operator has good access to engine dipstick, transmission dipstick, hydraulic oil levels and coolant levels. All filling points and filters are kept away from dust. Battery disconnect comes standard with all machine. So this is our CAT 424 mission design keeping customers in mind, with best of our global expertise and technology to deliver more of what matters to customers. For more information, visit cat.com or contact your local CAT dealer.